Yo guys, check out this shot right now. We're in the middle of Banff. Look at the view of the mountains right here. And look at Dorothy over there. And this is behind me, and this is downtown Banff, Alberta, Canada. We're in the middle of the Rocky Mountains.
Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
So we're at the Banff Gondola right now, and we're about to take a trip up there. You can see one of them coming down right here, and here's one going up. And guys, look how far up it's going. That's crazy. So this mountain here is called Sulphur Mountain. Here we got a couple bighorn ram pulling this sled. It's pretty neat. And over there, look at the mountain in the distance, guys. So this is where you buy your tickets, and they have a Starbucks at the end here. Alright, let's see what's up. We're about to ride the gondola. Good.
First time here?
Yes.
Yeah. That's exciting. First time in Banff as well?
Yes.
Yeah. Definitely better than the, here's better than the mountains.
I know.
Thank you.
Alright, bye guys.
Thanks. Ah! I'm so ready. Oh shit.
Holy.
I know. Behind you too, babe.
Alright guys, so we're heading up Sulphur Mountain right now on the gondola, and we'll take you with us. So let's see what's up. Look at the view of that mountain, guys. In the heart of the Rockies right now. And this experience is crazy right now. Check it out. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. And I'm gonna guess the video I'm doing right now probably doesn't do it justice. So So guys, you can actually see the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel in the distance. I'm not sure if the GoPro is going to be able to show that, but yeah, this is amazing. Amazing views, guys. So the ride is about 10 to 12 minutes out from the bottom there to the top, which we're getting close to soon. Alright guys, so we just got off the gondola and we're now at the top. The photo of the main lake right here. Good. You can just go
Yeah, just
outside.
make sure you have your tickets on you when you come back in, so I'll check them.
Okay. So it just got absolutely cold, guys. So now we're all the way at the top of Sulphur Mountain, at the top of the gondola. And this is basically the Boardwalk Observatory. And check it out, guys. These views are to die for right now. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. There's always snowing up here. And look at the view right here. That's crazy. So guys, fun fact, you can actually hike to the top of this mountain. On our way up on the gondola, we saw people hiking up, like literally probably a 2-hour hike to get up here. And we're just following the boardwalk to the absolute top right now. Let's keep going, guys. Check it out, guys. So we're looking directly down at the town of Banff. You can see the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel right here, and that's the town where we stayed. And we're all the way at the top of Sulphur Mountain right now. We just have one more set of stairs to go up and we'll be all the way at the top. It's crazy. This is the Canadian Rockies, guys. Got Dorothy here with me, freezing her ass off. Let's go. So we're almost at the pinnacle, guys. Last few steps. This is it. This is it. The top of Sulphur Mountain. We did it. Crazy. Guys, look at this. Stunning. Alright guys, so we just came from the absolute summit right there, and we are back heading to the Sky Bistro for lunch. guys, so we just arrived at Sky Bistro. It's actually your name. Thank you.
Just let you know, the Sky Experience package.
Time to eat.
Alright guys, so we started off with the potato curry soup. This is our first time having potato curry.
It smells good.
How is it?
It's pretty good.
This is pretty damn beautiful as well.
Alright guys, so we got the southern fried chicken and waffles here. And Dorothy got the elk bolognese.